good, guys? It's your boy VR30 Kev here, and today we're gonna be going on a cruise. It's gonna be crazy. We're gonna have some fast cars, maybe some races. Who knows? A little bit of hey, no, nothing illegal though. All right, so yeah, let's see what goes on. We're gonna have fun. I'm gonna be vlogging it. Yes, sir. All right, guys. So as you can see, we started the cruise already. All right, you can see all the cars right there. We're gonna go to a coffee shop right now. We're gonna go get some food. My son Max right here hungry.
Yes, sir.
So we about to go eat, and then I'm gonna just give y'all a little ride along while we're going on the cruise. You feel me? So stay tuned.
Them up there?
Yeah, that's them.
Caught up.
Oh, yeah. Caught up. He's trying to get some videos for the car club. Yes, sir, guys. So we're on the way. We got my boy's Mustang right there. We got the other Mustang ahead of us right now, and the rest of the car guys. See if we can do a little catch up right now. So give you guys a little view of all of them. That's the GTI. They're gonna be doing a little chill cruise today. A little chill cruise to the spot. Nothing too crazy. Give you guys a little view of all the guys and stuff. Alright, bet. So we got a couple more turns now, you feel me? A little quick cruise. About 2 minutes away now. Stuff like that, but let's listen to this Cam Mustang right here. Real quick pull, second gear pull. I got like 1 more minute away, so I'm gonna end it off here. Pick up the camera back when we park. Boys, so we just got here, parked up the cars. The WRX Mustang right there. My son Jetta. About to get some coffee. What's up, guys? So we just left the coffee shop. Got me a little cappuccino. You can see right here, me and the boys, we about to dip. We about to go to the river spot right now. And I'm gonna just bring you guys along for this little cruise, alright? So let's see what happens. Yo, guys, y'all gotta get a radar detector. I'm not gonna lie. Best investment, bro. I got the Uniden R3 right here. I know it's a little blurry for you guys, but it says, basically, it's pinging the cop right now. I just muted it so then it won't sound. And as you can see, you can pan the camera up there, bro. Yeah, there's like cops all the way down there. Seems like something happened. So, I'm telling you, this shit is a lifesaver. Get it. Yes, sir. Got my son right there. video for Lucky Sevens, little flyby. Alright, we got the people in the, I'm taking the lead right now. I don't really know where I'm going, but I think we're just gonna stay on this road for now. And they're just doing search for the car group. When, after this, I'm gonna link the car group's Instagram in the description. Anyone that's coming to you, Albany, these my boys right here. I'm gonna put you on, pick y'all up. Always hosting car meets every weekend, basically. Events, car shows. You know, I think they just made a partnership with the local drag strip, so we about to start doing some drags, some racing. Yeah. Oh, he about to go by right there. Yes, sir. That's a manual focused RS right there. Insane.
My shit in the shop right now though, but yeah. Had to upgrade from the track Hawk.
That's a bit from the track car. You want something a little faster?
Yeah.
Oh, looks like we made it. Alright guys, so we just stopped right here by the lake. You know, they've taken pictures of the cars and whatnot. We in like this little single lane, like road. It's a picture for the car club and stuff. About to get outside, you know, talk and see what we about to do. Yes, sir. Guys, so we setting us up. We're getting the second Mustang in here. We should be able to fit this guy in pretty easily. Here's my boy. Yeah, this is insane, bro. Shit, making history right here for Lucky Sevens. Yes, sir. I get y'all. I will go in the snow, but I'm not gonna go in the snow. My son's focus right here. Shit, insane. Yes, sir. Loud GT, all right. All right, you can turn it all the way the other way, all the way. Go. Yup. All right, straight back. Yeah, straight back. All the way. Lock it. Yeah, that way. You're good. All the way. You're good. Go. Yes, sir. This shit look good right here. All the boys. Yes, sir. Nice. What you know about this? Burger. 30 weapon. Woo bag. Walking in the water, T-track. Walking in the party like who that? Sitting on digging the sheet track. Shoot first, shoot back. It's automatic when the boots clap. Let us on my neck, can't prove that. Niggas see I'm who that? And then burning like 2 9s. Everybody know I'm 9 too. Alright. This is it right here. I don't even know where we are right now. This is a little scenic spot. We're gonna go outside and we're just gonna show you guys how the lineup looking like.
Yes, sir, YouTube.
Rock spot right here. Probably not the safest thing to do, especially in the snow. But now,
This Mustang looks so good. Oh, that shit hurt. My baby. Oh.
I don't know. He's doing it. So guys, we gotta back up now because it's a dead end right there. You stuck? Ah, shit. You're almost there. I can help you out. I can help you out. Yes.
Backed up at that point.
That's what I was saying. Yo.
He's right there, reversing all the way back after being for like 2 minutes. Everyone did a U-turn, but hey, he made it. He made it. That thing sounds so good.
Thank you guys for watching the car content today. I hope you guys enjoyed this little cruise we had. It was fantastic. Enjoyed it a lot. Stay tuned. We're gonna be doing more cruises, more racing coming. Maybe a little bit of snow, a little bit of fun in the snow. Maybe tomorrow, who knows? But yeah, we're gonna see what happens. Stay safe and keep running.
Yeah.